In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GIFs in Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to add a bit of fun and flair to your messages, GIFs are a great way to express yourself and engage more with your team. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. You can do this by typing teams.live.com in your browser's address bar. Make sure you navigate to the correct website to ensure safe access to Microsoft Teams. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams webpage, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This will lead you to the login page where you'll enter your Microsoft account details. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. This is crucial as it links to all your Teams activities, so ensure you enter the correct details to avoid any missteps. After inputting your email address, click Next. Now, if prompted, the website might ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. If so, click on Send Code to receive a verification email. It's a standard security measure for protecting your account. Head over to the email account you've registered, access your inbox, and look for a message from Microsoft containing your verification code. Take note of this code and return to the Microsoft Teams login page to enter this code in the verification field. It's a straightforward step, but make sure to enter the code accurately to proceed without any issues. Once you've entered the verification code, follow up by clicking on Yes if prompted. This step essentially authorizes your current device and browser to access your Microsoft Teams account securely. Now that you're logged in, you can access your Teams dashboard. Navigate to a chat or group chat where you'd like to use GIFs. Click on any specific chat room. This will launch the conversation window where you can start interacting. To enable GIFs, you'll need to click on the emoji icon that is usually found at the bottom of the chat window. It's a small icon but an essential one to open up the creative possibilities for your chats. Clicking this will give you access not only to emojis but also to the GIF library. Once you've clicked the emoji button, you may encounter a prompt to accept GIFs. This is a standard step to confirm that you want to use and send GIFs within your chats. Go ahead and click Accept to finish the process. That's it. You are now ready to send GIFs in your Microsoft Teams conversations, adding a dynamic and fun element to your messages. Remember, GIFs can be an effective tool for lightening up discussions and adding a personal touch to your communications. Enjoy interacting with your team in a more animated and expressive way.